Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify tax-exempt bond income reporting in TurboTax, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening TurboTax on your computer. Select the tax return you wish to work on. Navigate to the Wages and Income section. Scroll down to find the Interest and Dividends category. Click on Start next to Interest Income. Locate the section for tax-exempt bond income reporting. Here, you will enter the details of your tax-exempt bond income. Input the name of the issuer of the bond. Enter the amount of interest earned from the tax-exempt bond. Confirm that the income is indeed tax-exempt. Next, review any additional information regarding state tax exemptions. If applicable, select the state associated with the tax-exempt bond. Continue through the prompts to complete the reporting. Review your entries for accuracy. Once done, proceed to save your changes. Move on to the review section of TurboTax to ensure all income is correctly reported. Make any corrections if necessary. Finally, complete your tax return as guided through TurboTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.